Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and we are down in my sewing studio today on an iPhone instead of a camera. So bear with me, it's been a long time since I used a phone to record, so I might look at the wrong thing. However, first, before we get into the OpenGate Quilt subscription box, which I do have to share with all of you for the month of June, I wanted to share something that my daughter made. She's 11 and she had an English project to learn a new skill, and of course she chose quilting. So here is the quilt that she made, and I was just hoping that you could go over to Instagram and just give her some love on the post that we made, showing her how great of a job she did. She's really proud of herself. So here is her quilt. This is Egg and Friends by Ruby Star Society. We did purchase everything from Fat Quarter Shop. This is also a free pattern called Layer Cake Lattice that Fat Quarter Shop has as well. I can link it down below if you'd like. And then she chose this design called Strawberry Champagne from So Shabby Quilting. And it just turned out so beautiful. It has these little hints of strawberries. Let's see if I can find one for you guys. They're just like tucked away in there. Yeah, you see that? Little strawberries in between the swirls. So yeah, go ahead to Instagram and give her some love. And without further ado, let's go ahead and see what OpenGate Quilt sent us. So here we have the OpenGate Quilt subscription box. This is by Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studios, and she does provide this to us every month for free, so thank you so much, Monique. But let's see what's inside of this one. This is a project type subscription box. So you get a large project, you get a smaller project, and I believe that smaller project is now going to be a block of the month, which I believe starts in June. So here we are, hopefully with the first block of the month. And I have to say, this box, as soon as I lifted it up from the post office box person, anyway, it felt heavy. It feels a lot heavier than most of her boxes, so I'm really excited to see what's in this one. When you open it up, it does have her logo here as well as some custom tissue paper. There's always a little leaflet inside here that tells us the contents of the box, the different fabrics that are included in here, as well as some notes sometimes that she has. She also has a class. So June's class is going to be for the large project and for the block of the month. Hey, and it'll be held Tuesday, June 23rd. So you've got some time to prepare for that. It'll be 7 p.m. CST, and she'll send a Zoom link to those of you who have purchased this box. If you did not purchase this box for the subscription, sometimes she has some a la carte on the website. I'll go ahead and link her website down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything, but it'll at least take you there and get you where you need to be. Let's see, anything else she wants us to know? Okay, so the note that I do have here from Monique is that this is the first month of the block of the month, which is what I already said. It replaces the small project, and then you'll receive fabric and instructions on how to make the block, and then you can save the block for the final quilt, or you can create additional blocks from your stash to make a suggested bonus project. At the end of the 12 months, I will give you the final instructions with the last block, and you can put it all together. We have our large project here. This is called Flying Away, and it features Honeyed Horizon from Moda Fabrics. You have the fabric for the quilt, the binding, a full color pattern, and picture of the quilt included. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay, first I'll show you the pattern. It's very pretty. I like this a lot. Looking over this pattern, I would definitely say that it's more of an advanced beginner, although I did sew with triangles on my very first quilt when I first started quilting, but I would not recommend because you're usually sewing on the bias and things can get a little wonky. So you definitely want to have some experience already under your belt of sewing half square triangles as well as possibly sewing on the bias in order to complete this project. I'm sure Monique will go over all of that in her class as well. First up, we have this solid white fabric. Next up, we have our fabric. This one looks like bubbles. And I do have a pantograph called Champagne Bubbles that mimics this fabric, which would look really awesome with this quilt. If anybody's looking for pantograph tips for when they complete this project, Champagne Bubbles is your go-to. I think it's my creative stitches. I'm truly in love with this teal. It is so pretty. Something really comforting about this color. And a nice big chunk of this, but that's because this is also going to be for your borders. It looks like a half yard. Monique did include the backing this month for me, so this is for the Flying Away backing. It is 7/8 of a yard, so almost a full yard. If you did want to purchase the backing for the large project, Monique has it priced at $14 as an add-on to your subscription. Monique did also include the fat quarter stash buster for me as well. These are always for coordinating fat quarters, and then it comes with a free project as well. So let's take a look at this. So this month's fat quarter bundle is Enchanted Canopy from Blank Quilting. Here's the first fabric. And yes, the colors are this vibrant in person as well. We have hummingbirds that are upside down. Let me turn it around for you. And some, it looks kind of like a cherry heart, but I know the hummingbird's holding the heart. I always love coordinates like this that just go with everything. And a dragonfly print. So here is the project that comes with that Stash Buster Fat Quarter Bundle. This one is called, let's see, it looks like little butterflies. This one is called Flight of Fancy, and it's 22.5 by 62.5 inches. We've got our thread for this month from Aurifil, and this number is 2845. It is a beautiful turquoise. Our freebie this month is this fat quarter. So this fat quarter, let's see, this one is called Flower Patches, and it's from Moda Fabrics. I feel like this thread looks really nice against that. We got another thread. I totally forgot that she was doing 2 threads instead of a notion. So here's our other thread. Matches my nails perfectly, if you can see that. So this is a pale pink, and it is 24.23. And then we have our final item here. This is our block of the month. So this one is called Sweet Polka Dot Block of the Month. This is block number 1. Here's what the finished block looks like. This looks so nice. I like this a lot. So what I love most about these boxes is that Monique gives you just what you need in order to complete the project. So there is just enough fabric here for this block. You have this beautiful floral cream color here. This taupe color. And then your main fabric here. This is for the little kind of borders and for the parts of the inner working of the block. Okay, so I did look over this pattern, and it is more of an advanced beginner in my opinion. This block right here in particular is kind of like a flying geese within a flying geese, so a little bit more technically advanced. But you could either try it on your own using YouTube videos, or you could certainly wait until the end of the month when Monique has her class. Well, that is it for this month's subscription box. I really hope that you enjoyed that unboxing. My favorite item is definitely, or items, is definitely these 3 fabrics. I just think they're so pretty. They're right up my alley. So I'm excited to use these. And then don't forget to go like Aya's Instagram post of her very first quilt. She's only 11 years old, so I definitely want to make sure that she gets recognition for the hard work that she put in. It took her like 6 weeks to make that quilt. So definitely go over there, and then I will see you guys next time. And I hope that you have a wonderful weekend. Bye, everybody.